Self-doubt isn't who you are, it's a state, and states can be changed in under 2 minutes. Because confidence isn't something that you build over years, sometimes it's something that you step into. So today I'm going to share with you a very simple but powerful technique called the Circle of Excellence that changes how confident you feel almost instantly. And if we haven't met yet, I'm Locke, I'm a TEDx speaker, confidence coach and professional magician. The Circle of Excellence is a technique from NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and it's a practical way to access a confident state whenever you need it. Perhaps maybe before a presentation, before a difficult conversation, or even something that you usually hesitate for. Most people try to think their way out of self-doubt, stop worrying, be more confident, but confidence doesn't work like that. Confidence isn't something that you just build in the moment, it's something that you re-access. Because you've already felt it before, and this technique helps you step back into that state. Here's how it works. Step 1. Think of a time when you felt genuinely confident. Not arrogant, not hyped, just steady and capable. Now take a moment to step back into that memory. See what you saw, hear what you heard, and feel what you felt at that very moment. Notice how you were standing, notice how you were breathing, and notice how you were showing up at that moment. Now, imagine placing that feeling on the floor in front of you. Create a circle, and this is your circle of excellence. And when you feel ready, step into it. And as you do, let that confident feeling rise up through your body. Stand a little taller, breathe a little deeper. Let your body remember what confidence feels like. Stay there for a few seconds and then step back out. And repeat it 2 more times, letting that feeling become more stronger every time that you step in. Now here's the clever part. Once you've stepped into that confident state, you can keep it. In your mind, imagine folding that circle up and placing it into your pocket. So whenever you need confidence again, maybe it's before a meeting, before it's a presentation, just simply imagine pulling that circle out of your pocket, placing it onto the floor, and then stepping into it. And your brain will remember the state instantly. Because what you're doing here is not magic, but you're teaching your brain to access powerful states on demand. And here's my final thought. Most people spend months trying to eliminate self-doubt. But doubt isn't the enemy, inaction is. So try this for the next 7 days before a meeting, before a difficult conversation, before sending that scary email. Create your circle, step into the circle and see what changes. And if you want to go deeper on building confidence, then I've created a free guide that taps into some practical tools to increase your self-esteem and confidence. And you can find it in the links in the description. I hope you enjoyed this technique. And if you want to keep building your confidence, then watch this video to continue your confidence journey.